Hey guys, I have a bit of a PR haul from Colourpop. I got 2 parcels from them in the mail, so I thought I would show you guys. I'm very excited. I was not expecting to get these at all, so I'm very excited. So first, we got the new Cheek Dew Serum Blush, which I'm very excited about. So it says this innovative and unique serum blush is a pillowy, soft formula that combines skin-loving ingredients with a dewy rush of colour, featuring 10 new shades in nudes, peaches and corals, and cool warms and pinks. Lightweight and buildable to leave cheeks looking naturally flushed with a hint of dew. So, very exciting. These were obviously gifted to me by Colourpop, and I think they sent me 3 shades. Packaging is super cute, and this is what it looks like inside. So they sent me 4 shades, and they also sent me this little complexion blending sponge, which is so cute. So that's the packaging there. And then this is the sponge. Very, very cute. I love the colour. You guys know green is my favourite colour. So let's have a look at these serum blushes. I think I'm going to do a video on these and like include them in a video because I have so much Colourpop makeup now. Okay, so what do we have? We have Hotline, Beyond, So Cosmo, and Psst. So I have a nice range of colours here. Let's see what they look like. Oh, they are so cute, guys. They look like a little lip gloss. It looks very similar to their oh, what's it called? The squeezy tube lip glosses that they have. What are they called? You guys know, it's like my favourite one. What is it? Oh, the So Juicy ones. It looks like those kind of. But yeah, so this one here is called Hotline. I think they look absolutely gorgeous. I'll go into more of a in-depth review when I actually try them out. Then we have Beyond, which looks stunning. This one is definitely my favourite colour. I just don't know if I could pull it off. I don't know if it would be too deep for me, but the actual colour itself is gorgeous. We have So Cosmo, which is a like more kind of like going into the peachier. Those ones are more pinks, I feel like. And then the last one, it looks like a very bright orange. It's called Psst. Oh, okay. I feel like the packaging to the product, I feel like that's not it, surely. Let's have a look on their website. I feel like it looks like they've stuck the wrong sticker on there, because that does not look like the packaging, whereas I feel like the rest of them were pretty on par. Like, let's have a look. Like when you go into So Cosmo, like they're very on par, you know, like. So I'm not sure if that's one's changed up. Let's have a look on the website and see. Oh, they have a sale on at the moment, by the way. Honestly, by the time that this is up, unfortunately, the sale will probably be over, so I'm sorry about that. But they've got 30% off palettes at the moment, which is very exciting. The Animal Crossing collection, honestly, looks so sweet. Okay, no, it does say that Psst is meant to be like a... Okay, it looks quite pinky. I just don't know why. Like, the packaging is just so, like, not that shade. But anyway, that one's, it's very pretty. They're all very gorgeous, guys. Like, they have so many beautiful colours, and I feel like they have, a good variety of colours as well. So if you're thinking of, trying them out, I do recommend, like they do have a very good shade range, so obviously I haven't tried them yet, but when I do, you guys will know because it'll be in a video. So that was the first package from them, so thank you so much, Colourpop. And the second one I'm so excited about. Like, I didn't actually think that I would get this at all because I feel like they're more highly requested collections you don't always get, but this is the Bambi collection, and I am actually like obsessed. Like, that is the cutest thing in the world. I'm so excited. So we have 3 palettes. We have a Luxe Gloss Trio, a Cream Gel Pencil Trio, a Pixie Puff Highlighter, and some faux mink lashes. And look how beautiful the box is. Like, absolutely stunning. Oh guys, it's so cute. Alright, first we have the little Pixie Puff highlighter, which is so cute, and it's in the shade Morning Light. Let's open it. I have one of these from the Colourpop and Candyland collab, and I love it. It's so cute. It's the what's her name? Let's have a look. What is this one? Oh, it's the Queen Frostine. So it's the same packaging, very cute. I'm very excited because I really love that one. It's so sweet. Oh, it's so cute, guys. I love the colors of this, like the little, like the neon green and the yellow. So gorgeous. So it's got a big puff, and then that is the highlighter in there. It's like a beautiful gold shade. I think I'm gonna do like a full collection review on this one because I do have the full collection. So keep your eyes out for that. This is the Cream Gel Pencil Trio. So it comes with Raindrops, Meadow, and Purity, I think. Oh my god, guys, I can't deal. The packaging is just so cute. Look at it. Like, so sweet. Okay, so Meadow is like this white kind of shade, like a very light kind of like cream shade. Then the next one we have is like sparkly pink, and it's called Raindrops. It's like a very deep purpley pink. There's like little bits of sheen through it. It's like a metallic, which is very cute. And then the last one we have is called Purity, which is like this beautiful deep purple. So gorgeous. So I'll test those out in the review as well. I'm actually kind of scared because I actually I don't have any practice at all or like experience with cream gel liners. I got some in the last collection they sent me and I haven't tried them out yet because I've been waiting, so I'm scared but excited. Then onto the Luxe Gloss Trio. It comes with Bambi, Flower, and Thumper. And don't tell me this isn't the cutest packaging you've ever seen. Oh, they're such beautiful shades, guys. Look at them. They're all super sparkly, and they all have a little picture on them. So cute. So that's how they look there. And let's have a look at the shades. So we have Bambi, which is this gorgeous like kind of like champagne pink, and it's got a picture on there. And then we have Flower, which also has the little picture on there. So cute. The pictures go with like the name, if that makes sense. This one's purple. In the monitor or like on screen it's coming up really dark, but it's actually like a very light purple with like beautiful shimmer through it. And then we have a pink, which is Thumper. Yeah, like, so cute, guys. I'm actually so excited. This is so sweet, and I cannot believe that, like, because I didn't even get excited because I was like, this is gonna sell out, because I did see it get like I saw it on like Trendmood and stuff, and I was like, no, there's no point getting excited, it's gonna sell straight out. And then it got sent to me and I was like, what the hell, like, just crazy. But I'm just so grateful and so excited. And then we have some lashes in Oh Dear. Once again, the packaging, just so cute. Like, I'm obsessed. So sweet. And then I feel like this is the main event, the palettes. So we have 3. It's their little mini palettes again, the little 5 pan ones. So first we have the Bambi palette. Oh, guys, so cute. So this one's like a very neutral kind of palette. It's got like lots of neutral tones, which is super sweet. So yeah, it's got, I've lost the slip. So it's got like 3 mattes, and then we have like a shimmer and then like a kind of satiny shade. So that one's very cute. I don't even know if I can give any of this away because it's just all too sweet, guys. I'm sorry. Next we have the Thumper palette, and this one is like a lot more like purpley themed, and we have 2 mattes, 1 satin, and 2 shimmers. That's that one there. So cute. And I'll show you like the front of the packaging. They really have put, one thing I love about Colourpop is how much thought they always put into their packaging. Like, their collections are just always the sweetest, and I just die for all of their collections because they're all just all so cute. Like, so yeah. And then the last one we have is Flower. And that's the packaging there. It's so gorgeous. Sorry, I've moved so far away, I don't know why. And this one's like even more purple. So we have 2 mattes, 2 shimmers, and 1 satin. So cute, guys. I actually really think this collection is so beautiful, especially if you love Disney and you're a collector. Like, yeah. But no, so thank you so much, Colourpop. I'm actually so excited. I cannot wait. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video, and thank you so much, Colourpop. But yeah, I will do a collection review very soon. I have like 2 other collections to catch up on first, and then we will. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!